We're going.
In today's video, we're going to show you how to unbox a golden Companion GC340. So we've already opened the box and we cut the front part of the box so you can roll it right out. It's probably good to have two people to unbox most scooters, but you can do it on your own. So right now I'm removing all the packaging. This scooter is the GC240. They also make a 340 that's longer. This is a 17 by 16 stadium side seat. I'm just loosening those up to put the armrest in later. You can see there's a little receiver at the back for oxygen holder, walker holder, whatever you want to put back there. Larger basket. This has a soft tiller adjustment, so there's no knob to twist. You just pull that right up. This is a luxury scooter. It's a flag that comes with it, your basket, have your mirror, and all you do is there's another little part that comes with it that it wraps around the tiller and you just screw it on. It's pretty simple. I'm just unpackaging everything. So the GC240 is going to be like a mid-size scooter. It provides great style with high performance and easy disability. This thing can be disassembled. As I'm pointing out, that's a left mirror and a right mirror. But you do have a couple more steps to do. There's other scooters out that disassemble a lot faster, like the GC or the GB 148, 149. There's your charger. This is a 350-pound weight capacity with a 4.5 miles per hour max speed. You can adjust the speeds. It has a 19-mile battery range. So the batteries that come with it are U1s, and we'll show you that. I'm putting the basket on. The basket, when you first put it on first time, might be a little difficult to put on, but it's not hard. It just might give you a little bit of an issue. Taking all the packaging out. The scooter's fully assembled. That's your disengage and engage. So you can put it in a free wheel to roll it with the scooter turned off. Underneath here is your armrest. Nice set of armrest. They are adjustable in height, and you can adjust the width once they're on the scooter. Comes with a wraparound tiller, backlit battery gauge display, full light package. It only comes in 3-wheel. So I'm just picking it up because I have it on a box. Slide that right out. Once you get that done, so the weight of the unit, the front half's 45 pounds, the rear half's 48 pounds. The whole scooter is 163, and each battery's 21 pounds. The seat with arms is 26 pounds. There's your throttle. That's where you can charge it. Underneath the mat, you'll have an extra serial number you can put on your manual. But underneath the mat's pretty nice. It's a troubleshooting guide. So there's fault codes. Each fault code means something different. Tells you how to operate, safety tips, battery. You can take that off, wash it. It just clips right back on. So when the scooter comes in, you do have to connect the batteries. The batteries are pretty much already connected, so you just have to I'll show you in just a second. This can be adjusted up and down a couple inches. So you have 3 seat height positions. Right, this is for packaging, so I'm just cutting these off. And then I'm going to get the, you're gonna have to unstrap to get the wire out because it's pretty tight. And you're just gonna plug it in. Black to black, red to red. This is a circuit breaker I'm pointing at. If you do trip the unit, that will pop. You just press it right back in. And I'm putting the shroud right back on. This is candy apple red. It also comes in blue. Again, I'm showing you how you can put it in freewheel, but you always want to have it engaged to operate the scooter, or it'll give you a fault code. Underneath that mat I showed you is your fault code chart. I just showed you that's where the charger plugs in. Put the charger into that port and then plug it into the wall. On the charger will have lights indicating when it's fully charged. It's good to charge 8 to 12 hours. Try to get a long 12-hour charge, your first initial charge. That was Bella that just ran to the back. Putting the seat on. Most scooters you can just pull the seat right off. With this unit, this is a slide up and then you can slide it back. Tiller adjustment.
Well, that's nice. You can adjust that.
The armrests just go on. And then you connect the armrest. You can slide this in and out for the width between the arms and just tighten it back down. And then I'm showing you here how you can adjust the armrest up and down. Repeat the process on the other side. Back up here, it's your key on and off, your battery indicator, your light, and then you have 2 horns and a speed control. There's your LED light at the front. That's adjustable up and down. And then you have the lights at the back. And then just pull it apart and we'll show the tires.
And blinkers?
No. So the tires on this unit is 10.75 at the rear and 9 at the front. The length or the width of this unit is 42.25 inches and the width is 23.5 inches. So now I'm going to show you how you, and it does have a swivel seat. I'm going to show you how you take it off. To take this seat off, you do have to pull up that handle that I'm pointing to. It has an extra lock, so you do have to pull that up. You don't have to pull it up putting it down or on the post, but you do have to pull it up to take the seat off. I removed the seat, the basket, now the back shroud. It's nice to have a lift with this unit because there is a little bit more you have to do to disassemble it. It does come apart very easily. You just unplug those battery leads, pull the batteries right out. The scooter has a 37-inch turning radius with a weight capacity of 350 pounds. Just pull that clip up and then you connect it. So I'm going to repeat it again. pull it up. If you have a lift and you're not going to disassemble it, you can tighten up. There's little Allen keys you can tighten up so it's a little bit, so you can't take it apart. So the back rear half is 45 pounds or 48 pounds, and the front half's 45. That's 45 pounds that I'm picking up, but I'm not really picking it up. But I'm gonna show you how it connects back. And then the soft tiller comes up. Put the battery in. So if you're going to be taking this in your car, a couple of times a month or just seldom, this is a good unit. We sell a lot of these to people that are in nursing facilities or that have a lift on the back of their vehicle, like an AL100 or an AL600 in the inside. So you don't have to do all this to transport it. Putting the shroud right back on, taking the seat, dropping it right on to the seat post, swivel the seat, and you're done. Besides adding the basket to the front. And then what we'll do is we'll roll it to a charging port. We'll charge it up for 12 hours. And then we'll deliver it to the customer that purchased this. This is the GC240 by Golden. It's a very nice scooter. Your flag can go in this. There's a little small hole back here you can put the flag down into. And that's all you do. The GC240 from AffordableMedicalUSA.com.